Hi, this is Chris from Tyre Parts Plus, and today we have a 2017 Subaru Liberty Premium. Stock reference number 5259. The shape runs from the 11th month 2017 through to the 4th month 2021. It has an FB25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. FB25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left power door mirror, camera type, colour coded, power fold. Left rear, 18-inch factory alloy made with a good tyre. Hayman Reese towbar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module. Right hand boot lid garnish, right hand tail light. Right rear, 18-inch factory alloy made with a good tyre. Right power door mirror, colour coded. And a right front, 18-inch factory alloy made with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. Automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls with heated seat type, 8-inch sat nav, touchscreen CD player, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Tyre Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.